Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Apply the cuticle softener to the treatment area. Facial cleansing vacuum cup, enhance cleansing effectiveness. Settings. Time, 3 minutes. Vacuum setting, mode, M1. Suction duration, 0.5. Note, during operation, cover the small hole on the cup with your finger to maintain suction. Press the cup onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move the cup towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Repeat until the entire targeted area is covered. This applies to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severely blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be applied. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Roller cup, S promotes facial circulation and detoxification. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Vacuum setting, mode, M2. Suction duration, 0.5. Release duration, 0.2. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Glide the cup across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Facial vacuum cup, lifting and firming. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Vacuum setting, mode, M2. Suction duration, 0.5. Release duration, 0.2. Glide the cup across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Lipo laser, eliminate double chin and refine facial contours. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Choose a strap, short, medium, or long, depending on individual size, and secure it around the recipient's head. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Turn off the device, remove the pads, release the strap, and complete the procedure. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.